Coffee break, anyone? How about a healthy twist with a delicious matcha latte? Here's a simple recipe for you. First, sift 1 to 2 teaspoons of good quality matcha powder into your cup to avoid lumps. You might want to mix it with some hot water to form a smooth paste before adding milk. Next, warm up a cup of your chosen milk, be it regular, almond, or coconut. Just make sure it's hot but not boiling. Want some froth? Use a milk frother, or just whisk vigorously for a foamy texture. Now pour a small amount of hot water into the sifted matcha and stir until a smooth paste forms. If you've already mixed the matcha with water, you can skip this step. Then, slowly pour the hot milk into the matcha while stirring for a uniform mixture. Sweeten your matcha latte to taste with 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey or maple syrup. For an extra flavor kick, add a dash of vanilla or cinnamon. And voila! Your matcha latte is ready to be enjoyed. Feel free to sprinkle some extra matcha powder on top for decoration. Remember, you can adjust the amounts of matcha, milk, and sweetener to suit your personal preference. Enjoy your delicious and healthy matcha latte.